Let's discuss LeetCode problem number 253, meeting rooms. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. So this problem, now back to the problem. 253 is you are given a set of intervals like 0, 3 and then 5, 10 and 15, 20. Now written the minimum number of rooms, conference rooms required. So like let us assume the base time starts is the 8 o'clock and these are the offsets. So this meeting goes from 8 to 8:30 and this one goes from 8:05 to 8:10 and this meeting goes from 8:15 to 8:20. Maybe these are like stand-ups kind of meetings, so it's just going for 5 minutes. So you need to calculate the number of meeting rooms required. So 8 to 8:30 definitely need one room for this. Because this 8:05 this meeting has already started, you need another room for this. But for this one you don't need a new room. Basically this one can reuse the meeting room number 2. So you just only need 2. And in this case 8:07 to 8:10 you need one meeting room definitely. But 8:02 this one is happening earlier, so that indicates that we should sort the times. So this one actually starts first at 8:02 to 8:04 and this one 8:07 to 8:10. So you just need only one meeting room. They can be reused. Now let us take a look at the solution. So I call this as sort start for start times and then heap min-heap for end times pattern. So I know it is no pattern will help you to remember the solution, but at least this will help a bit, I hope. So now let us run through the code. Let us take a look at the code. So if its intervals are empty, then you don't need any rooms. Then you sort the beginning uh, intervals based on the beginning time. So a0 is less than b0. Let me bring down the lambda function. I think it is more clearer. So the sorting, you can pass in a lambda function which is unnamed function, but it has code in it. And so a0 is less than b0, so you are sorting based on the first element of the tuple or pair. So that basically means the start times. You are sorting the intervals based on the sort times. Then you define a min-heap and you push the first meeting, and the goal is like just like priority queues are used for resources. So that's a resource allocation. So here you are basically seeing always the first meeting which is ending early is at the top of the heap. So you go through the interval size, and if interval this start meeting of this one is greater than or equal to min-heap dot top, basically means this meeting is starting. In that case, like we saw, 8:15 is what we are talking about here. In the example we saw, if it is 8:15 is greater than whatever is the 8:10, that is the one which is ending the earliest, then you pop the heap. So you basically can reuse that room. So then you can pop. So the size of the heap is the number of rooms needed. So that's why you need to pop. Otherwise you push the ending meeting into the heap, and that's it. Let us run through this scenario of this 1 4 2 5 6 6 9 3 8 8 10. So initial meetings 1 to 4 2 to 5, this is the sorting thing. 6 9, no, I think this is unsorted. 3 to 8 and then 8 to 10. Meetings sorted by start times. Okay, added first meeting ending at 4. This one is ending at 4. Processing meeting 2 starting ending at 5, so room allocated for that too. Ending at 8, starting at 3, ending at 8, that also room, you need another room for that. So for 6 and 9 you can use the meeting ending at 4. So this one here, it is popped and then it is inserted. Room ending at 9 is inserted. Processing meeting starting at 8 ending at 10, so you can reuse the room at 5, so total the size is 3, so the minimum number of rooms required is 3. That's it. uh, Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.